everyone, welcome back Legans of the Internet. In this closing segment, we will discuss simple explanation of adding and subtracting fractions. Let's start the ride. We have these two fractions, 9 over 8 and 5 over 6, and we want to add them. Multiply the first top times the second bottom, so we have 9 times 6, which is equal to 54. Multiply the first bottom times the second top, so we have 8 times 5, which is equal to 40. Now just add those two numbers, so we have 54 plus 40, which is equal to 94. Multiply the two denominators, so we have 8 times 6, which is equal to 48. And that is all. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned.